I was speaking to a client yesterday. So it was just a chat really, preliminary chat, and he's a well-built guy, goes to the gym a lot, fairly muscular, and we're chatting about nutrition and diet, and he'd been making some changes recently eating more vegetables. Now this was despite his wife doing the same thing 6 months ago and having terrible problems with digestion, aches. In fact, he described her body as falling apart. But he'd done some research, and he decided that this was the way forward. Fibre was important for a healthy gut, and that this was going to help him build more muscle. So we chatted around things, and I explained around ancestral diet and why protein, fat, cholesterol are essential for our bodies to build muscle. And he's gone away and he's going to do some more research. In fact, his eyes were popping out of his head with surprise, because this goes against everything we're told. It goes against everything you read and hear in the media. It goes against everything you see on the TV. It goes against the general narrative. But you've got to ask yourself why that is. Why is meat being vilified? Why are farmers struggling to make enough money when they're raising animals? Why is lab-grown meat going to become the meat of choice in the future? Not possibly, but more than likely. Well, there's always commercial interests involved in that. And when you look at the science, and it is looking at the science, you see that vegetables are detox foods. They certainly are full of vitamins and minerals, and the fibre can feed the good bacteria in your gut. There's no doubt about that. But that's only if your gut's full of good bacteria. That's only if your gut lining is healthy, not inflamed. That's only if the vegetables and the grains, etc. are processed in a way your body can actually use them. So do some of your own research. You might find out that the only healthy food really for the human gut is meat and fat, dairy and eggs. That's the basis of every diet. That doesn't mean you can't eat vegetables, doesn't mean you can't eat fruit, nuts and seeds, but you need to feed your body and the human organism with the base ingredients that it needs, and that's protein and fat and cholesterol. And the only way to get that in a form that we can use is meat and fat and dairy and eggs, and then you can build on that. So do some of your own research. Ask away if you've got any questions, you want some advice, and I'm more than happy to help.